What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. You guys have made it. This is the channel where we help you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. In today's episode, it's a sad moment. My pressure washer has died, but we're talking upgrades. Let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Detached Garage. Again, a sad 2020 for Briggs and Stratton. First they filed bankruptcy, and now my pressure washer has died. I had a Briggs and Stratton PowerFlow Plus pressure washer with quite a few Obsessed Garage upgrades. You can watch that video up here in the YouTube card. Loved it. Worked great, high PSI, good cleaning units, but overall, I've always wanted the electric pressure washer for my future garage build anyways, so when this one died a few weeks ago, I decided to go with the 1622TS, which TS stands for total stop. So what that means is, with the electric pressure washer, every time you squeeze the gun, it will kick on and build pressure back up, and then it will shut off and not continuously run when you release the trigger. So this was going to be the workhorse for my new garage build. I've got the 1622 because right now I don't have a dedicated 20 amp outlet. It is a little bit down on GPM or gallons per minute compared to the 1322, but overall, you know, it's going to be far superior from a flow rate compared to my Briggs and Stratton. So excited to unbox this thing today, talk a little bit about why I got it versus the 1322 or any other options as well. Then I've got some additional accessories coming for it so I can use it in my current setup before my full wash bay is built and everything. And we're actually going to try and wash the side of my house with this thing. You know, most of the time you want a higher PSI for, you know, washing the driveway or washing the house or whatnot, but I think this thing is going to do pretty well, especially with my older foam cannon. I'm going to put some outdoor bleach in it and just kind of run that over the side of the house and then switch from the foam cannon to the wand and then blast the side of the house off with that. So I think this thing will do pretty well, even though it's less PSI than the Briggs and Stratton, but it is more flow than the Briggs and Stratton, so technically it could probably have more cleaning units available to it. So let's unbox this thing, let's see what it looks like coming out of the box, and we'll get right to it. So, fairly straightforward to take out of the box. You just kind of pull the entire unit up by the handle here, right out of the box. It's pretty heavy, so I pulled it out of the box, I stood up and got off camera, so we're just gonna start from here with the unboxing to see what you get. So it does come with a Kranzle gun and Kranzle wand. We won't be using these, obviously, because we do already have the Shorty Mosmatic gun and sprayer and wand as well. So it also does come with pressure washer hose also. Again, we don't really need this because we also have the Cobra Jet hose already, but always good to have a backup. So really stout unit. It comes with some anti-vibration pieces on here that are mounted. You've got your on-off switch up top. You've got your extra long electrical cord that goes along with it. And then you have your, swing it around here. You have your garden hose inlet right here, and then you have your pressure washer outlet right here. And here is your pressure gauge up top where you can adjust it here. But overall, very excited about this unit because of the total stop feature. So when you release the trigger of the gun, this unit will shut off and will not continue running. Then when you squeeze the trigger again, it'll be a slight delay, and then boom, instant pressure and you're back to washing again. So it'll be really good, much quieter than that gas-powered Briggs and Stratton that's just blaring away all the time, and then when you squeeze the trigger goes under load. So really looking forward to getting this hooked up. Gonna try and clean the side of the house with it. I've already got an old foam cannon that I'm gonna put some outdoor bleach in to get to foam the side of the house, and then use the Mosmatic wand to spray it off after that. So let's talk about my garage build. I'm going to have a wash bay as well as a interior wash bay. And so this unit I'm going to use to power both the exterior and the interior wash bay, and I'm going to have a directional valve that can transfer the pressure coming out of this outside to the Mosmatic boom pole or inside to the Cobra Jet hose on the Cox reel. And I'll use that that valve, so in the winter I'll mainly be washing cars inside unless it's nice out, and in the summer I'll mainly be washing cars outside in the wash bay area. So that's my setup. I'll put a picture up on the screen here and show you where the exterior wash bay is located. This again is where I'm going to have that Mosmatic boom pole, and then interior it'll likely be the left-hand garage stall where I'm just kind of doing daily parking, but then I'll have the Cobra Jet hose mounted to the wall where I can just pull it around the car and spray the car off. So very excited to have this thing as a multi-purpose unit. 2 future videos coming up. Number 1 will be the quick disconnects that I'm attaching to this, and number 2 will be testing this thing out and kind of putting it through its paces a little bit, washing the exterior of my house. So stay tuned for that. If you're excited to see my garage build and more garage upgrades, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.